Hi there, check out the Tezzorio set of 4 stainless steel mixing bowls that come in 3, 5, 8, and 13 quart sizes, perfect for all your kitchen needs. These bowls feature a polished mirror finish and a flat base for stability while mixing or serving. Made from commercial-grade stainless steel, they resist rust and stains for long-lasting durability. The rounded lip makes them easy to grip and pour from without spills. Their nesting design saves space in your cupboards while adding a sleek, modern look to your kitchen. Plus, these bowls are safe for the refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. Whether mixing, marinating, or serving, these versatile bowls are a must-have for any home cook. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.